Hey screen printers, the ROQ XL 8-color 12 station that you see behind me has become one of our most popular ROQ automatic presses over the last few years. Since we just recently changed our classroom and showroom press out to the P12, I wanted to take the opportunity while I was up here to show you guys some cool features of why I think this press has become one of our most popular. The 812 is designed around our UXL model. Now typically, designed for market, this is a 10-color 12 station. However, because most of the time this press is sold with at least 2 flashes, what we did is we took out those flash stations and we didn't put a print head so a flash could live in an open station, not wasting a print head. By taking these 2 print heads off, what it did is made this higher-end, large format press more economical and easier to get into for many more screen printing shops. Here are some of the features and tech specs on the UX12. Diameter, 17.1 feet. Index speed, 1,000 per hour. Index direction, bidirectional. Power, either 1-phase or 3-phase, 220 volt. It's usually sold as a 3-phase machine pre-powered for flash dryers. Depending on the flash configuration, most 3-phase configurations range between 110 and 150 amps of power. Platens, standard 16x24 honeycomb aluminum. Squeegees, 16-inch. Flood bars, 16-inch winged flood bars. Print stroke, 42-inch. Print heads, electric. Index, an electric servo Geneva drive. Index accuracy, 0.001 inch, the most precise index accuracy in the market. Display, adjustable polychromatic color touchscreen. Lasers, 2 with an option to add up to 4. Warranty, 3 years, squeegee to squeegee. The press is typically configured with the open print station in either the 2nd or the 3rd print head, and the 2nd open print head station in typically the 8th or the 9th head. Now this is set up so that you can either do a spot black, a white underbase, then flash, or you can also set it up to have 2 open stations right here to allow for a flash and a cool for maximum production efficiency. Flashes normally live in open stations, but because of the convertible print heads, you can easily be moved to accommodate any type of job for maximum flexibility. Setting up a job on the UXL is a dream because of the large format and open space between each print head. When setting up a job, you can control off contact individually on each print head, both front and back. Easily adjust the placement of the front and the back screen clamp to accommodate different sizes of frames. Have multiple controls for squeegee and flood settings for both travel, distance, and pressure. Adjust your squeegee and flood angle easily and lock it in. Finally, change the individual print speeds for both flooding and printing. From your adjustable UI, you can change multiple settings on your press, such as your flash position, or as even as complicated as changing your index direction. Turn on and off print heads and flashes. Set your print stroke and head configuration and easily copy print formats throughout the entire press. Another great option is multi-print mode, which allows the press to spin up to 9 times so you can print flash print or multiple cycles on one screen for shorter run jobs to avoid having to make multiple screens. You can put the press in double index mode or void palettes for specialty jobs, and change the dwell time. Although we typically train to set the foot pedal to pause, allowing the operator to set their index time to 0, but having flexibility to get into a rhythm on press and speeding up or slowing down the press naturally if a shirt isn't loaded correctly. The foot pedal can also be used to start and stop the press, or like we mentioned, pause the press for flexibility and load time. Running at full speed, the ROQ can easily print 600 to 700 pieces an hour using a doubles print stroke. And if you want to change things to a single print stroke setup, can get up to the speed of typically 800 to 900 pieces per hour using a lower flash dwell time. Originally, most presses were sold with the more economical version, Eco 14400 20x28 flash. This basically allows you to measure your time and temp with adjustable knobs, controlling it from the flash head itself. Recently, we've been seeing over 90% of the shops going with the Evo 14400 Smart Flash that measures the temp and adjusts the speed of the press accordingly. This allows you to preheat your platens, also control your platen temp, and ensure that you're not overflashing sensitive garments like polyester. The best part about the U812 in most shops' opinions is the vast amount of options it has available for you to future-proof your press. Large format printing or towel printing gets popular, no problem. We've got you covered at a 42-inch plus print stroke and almost 40 inches wide in double index. Need more printheads? Simply add a printhead to the pre-wired flash station to give you more colors and flexibility on the machine. And all the ROQ attachments, such as the iron, flock, foil, and even ROQ Digital, attaches to these machines with this printhead configuration. This large format of the XL allows an easy upgrade path for any of these upgrades in the future. Whether it's your first press, your second press, or your next press, the ROQ XL 8-color 12 station should get a serious look. All the awesome features and what its owners say about it make a leading contender in its market. So visit the ROQ page on screenprinting.com and connect with our team to find out what shops are using this most popular model, as well as learn about the options on the press and find out how owning a ROQ or getting into a ROQ could be easier than you think. Thanks a lot for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and rock on, screen printers.